Alright guys, welcome for the new episode. So this is the new week, but this today is Monday. So today is Monday morning, guys. And then, guys, during last week I made a lot of back tests. So and I asked myself, what do you know about my trade? Is it like the strategy is not working, or I made the problem? So I said that I'm the one here that I didn't notice some key points that I have to notice in my strategy, guys. So let me just run you through my trade analysis for this week, guys. Alright, on AUD USD, guys. So this is where I put the last recent high here. So I said if price breaks this above the size, I'm going to mark out the demand zone that will cause the recent high low. And here is the demand zone, guys. So but I'm supposed to enter like this. Just to this entry. Put like my stop loss here. And then run it to this point. So mark like 3%. You can see this is just TP1. I think I put the stop loss around something here. So yeah, here's the TP1 and here's the TP2. But I've decided not to do it that way. That I should go for confirmation entry, guys. Just waiting for some shift higher and higher low. So and then I'll go for that confirmation entry. So I don't want to risk a lot of money for this week, guys. So and that's for AUD USD, and for Euro USD also, I can see my strategy has been working, guys, and I haven't noticed on this Thursday. As a price come to my zone, this point, and give me some trade next trade. Just tap into it and move. As you can see, move around like. I've been here struggling. As you can see, 119 pips, and I've been here struggling for trade. Same thing happened here too in AUD also. Come to my demand zone here. Just small. It's the one that breaks the structure right here. My price come back to it and move. This thing happened around 2 p.m. in the afternoon, 1 p.m. in the afternoon, and move, go, ASAP. And GPUSD also, I've marked out the additional zone here, which I know that price will take out the zone, so I didn't go for it. And then this is the extreme zone, so this is the last zone. And then, but this zone, I don't think this zone will hold. For what reason? There's a liquidity at the top of the zone. Here's the liquidity, the equal high or the equal low or the trend line. That's what I'm called liquidity, guys. In which I'm expecting price to come to take out those equal high. Is a trap order. You can see equal high after I'll be writing. Okay. You can just see that on higher time frame, guys. So I'm expecting price to come back, break this structure and take out and give me some confirmation on this point. But if price go ahead and break this structure and take out this equal high, so I can look for a trade around this region. I won't focus on this region again, but on this region, around this region, I look for a trade here. And seems good on gold also. On this gold, I've already write this out. This is my inducement zone, which I know that it's a fixed zone because price will take out the inducement zone. Is a zone that low trader in and then take out. As you can see, you believe that it's a reason, right? Let's come to it and move. And it will give us some big rejection to believe that this is a reason. But at the end, to avoid a story that we touch, so avoid touching stories, guys. So I just have to stay out on this zone. I won't take any trade on this zone, but I'll take zone trade based on this zone. Yeah, but this is the extreme zone, not in this main zone. And same goes for GBT also. I'm expecting price to come back to this zone. Yes, because we are seeing downtrend. So if price come back to this zone, give us some weak projections and break structure, then we can now ride it up to this point, guys. So that's all for this trade. This one, I'm expecting price to come back to this point. AUD, Euro USD, I'm expecting price to come back to this point. EPGPY, I'm expecting price to break this structure, or clear out this liquidity. Gold, I'm expecting price to come back to this point. Well, I don't think maybe gold will give me some confirmation like this on gold. Maybe I will just have to risk the risk entry, guys, because I normally know how gold behave. Gold doesn't care. Gold doesn't care. Okay, let me change this. Let me refine the zone. Maybe 30 minutes and see. Okay, let's go for 15 minutes. Maybe I have to put on my risk entry on this trade. So, and I'll extend it to this point. Since break, I've already created some real projections, some liquidity at this point. So definitely you take out the structure and come to the zone. So that's all for the gold. So I will put my limit order here on the zone on gold. So I will risk my half percent here on gold. So because there's nothing I'm expecting on this gold again. So let's put that on gold. And then on JPY. So guys, let me run you through my dashboard on this trade. So this is the dashboard on the trade. As you can see, this is the evaluation one step challenge, and then you have to make 9% profits, max 6% drawdown, daily drawdown, 3 days unlimited, leverage 1 to 100, 1 to 125. The profits I will lose, like I can see, I'm supposed to target like 9%, 540. And this is the drawdown. This is the overall drawdown. So I just have $95 left to exit the drawdown. But it is what it is, guys. With this small money that remain, this is what I will do. I will still continue risking my half percent. I won't change it. I will not change it. Yes, I will stick to that. To continue risking half percent. On my profitable day, I had one. From 3, I had one. It's still good, guys. So this is the equity, guys. As you can see, 573. So I won't make any amount on top of that 6,000 naira. My first trade is that I made a mistake. I was on trade. I do what I call overconfidence about the news. News out, and I saw the number. So and how if eventually the news go like the trade on GDP USD go off about 5%. So that's where the losses starts. If I've hold on that trade, I've like passed this account, because whenever you see winnings, give you some motivation and won't give you some like a quick and give you some patience. Yes, that does it, that trade. But I know that I will make it in this account, inshallah. I will pass it and withdraw from this account, inshallah rahman. Alright guys, it's just about belief. So since you believe in yourself, we're going to do it. So let me show you my my trading journal. So you can see this is the net total profit and loss, 264. The total trade, 22 trade. The average trade profits, negative 12. You know that I have a hedge. My profit factor is 0.42. My average winning trade is plus 37. The average losing is plus minus 26. This is the win rate. It's 23 win rate. Due to the losses, also I still have some 23 win rates. Those guys know that I have a hedge. It's just like maybe something is wrong somewhere. So that's what I have to fix. And if you are in this stage at your trading, know that you are on the right path. So you must accept what I call delayed gratification. It's part of the trade. Delayed gratification. So because there's some point that we'll be on a good area, but you still lose. So you just have to figure out. There's a time I watch the Pauli's video and mention something like this. Like you'll be on the right path, but you still lose. Yes. So I think my 5 years of journey is about to pay off, guys. I'm very excited for seeing this. Even if I blow this channel, I will get another one. Because for me to be having some average winning trade and average losing trade, is not even my average winning trade is more than my average losing trade. Yes. My profit factor is still good. And my win rate is also it is not bad. Despite that, I have about 1.5% money to risk. I still have like 23 win rates, which means that for this win rate, let me break it down to you. If I take about 10 trade and I lose like 8 trade, that is 8%. If I make about 2%, that's 20 trade. So if I win 2 trade on this trade and it's 1 to 9, 1 to 3, that is 9%. I made 9% profit and I lose 8% profit, 8%, in which I'm going to be profitable by 1%. But I don't know which one is good trade to take or bad trade to take. That's why I say it's still good, because there are some hedge funds that have like 23 win rates. But for me, I know that I still work on the win rate, and I'm going to have like 50% win rate. I don't need 100% win rate. The 50% win rate is good for me. Even if I have like 40% win rate, it's still good for me. I don't need only grey to make money in markets. Alright guys, so I think that's all for this one. Just for the AI, give me some recommendation on how to improve my trade. You see, improve risk reward ratio. So all this are just from the AI, guys. So, and here is what I've been waiting for, guys. So I wait for this one to tap in, and this one also to tap in. So that's all for this today. I'll be watching this zone clearly. So I think this week this can come in around New York section or tomorrow, guys. I don't think price can come for today. Alright guys, so thanks for watching, guys. So please subscribe and turn on the notification, guys. So we are still on Monday. I saw something here. I saw something about the analysis on Euro USD this morning. The time is 1:30 currently now. I saw something at this point that price is going to go up, but I now check my 30 minutes time frame, because I'm getting with confirmation entry. What if I get in risk entry? I've lost this trade, that it will have hit my stop loss now. But because I know the buyers and I know that I still have some zone here, that's why I book like confirmation entry. So price reached this point around maybe 10 this morning, or around 30, and begin to put me in the consolidation mode and like this. Okay, I said maybe it's time to move. Can you see it even give me fake move here? Price give me fake move, which I believe is now the time to move. And then so it drop out here and clear this zone with a real body candlestick on 30-minute time frame. Let's check 1 hour. You can see the 1 hour is still doing fine. So still like, but since I can see something here now that the zone have been broken, so I think the 30 minutes is still doing fine. Yes. So maybe it's time for the higher time for me to set my limit order here. Like if this trade want to hold, there should be no break of structure at this point. It's still as this time we're in the New York, so and it's time for reversal. That's what that's the modern, the traditional language for New York is New York reversal. So with this, I've been saying now, and we're in New York, so I will rather set my limit order here to write it down, because when I check, there's no imbalance here. As you can see, everything is efficient, and we have only left imbalance space at this point. So that's where I can. So let's go order and check our. So I will share you. I will show you the results about this trade, inshallah. If we get it tapped in and we run it down, yeah, just 10 pips. And target 70 pips. So I should have waited for 30 pips. Maybe I should do that now. Maybe I should take this trade like my normal 30%, 30 pips profit around this point. I should just put my account box here, and then let's put it in now here. So okay, as you can see now, it's okay. I shouldn't far past this side. Alright guys, so I will share the updates, guys. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Alright guys, so the update about the trade yesterday, I get in around this point. But this is here thing, I checked the trade on 30 minutes time frame and give me this break of structure happened yesterday. So when it happened and they move, it give me some profit back at this point, even more than 1%, more than 0.5% profit. but something happened yesterday night, so I went somewhere. So before I could return around 9:30. So this week here doesn't hit my stop loss full year, but spread take me out around this point. So this way I got out, not here. This way I got out, not here. Because I know that this trade is just like a bullish continuation. The sell side just like a small sell side, but because I've seen this break of structure on 30 minutes. But if you check 1 hour, if you check 1 hour, see just a week, and the candle form what I call indecision candle. And this one is giving indecision candle. After that, indecision candle, it printed a bullish candle. After that, and it giving some kind of hammer in which is about to move. But here's the thing, so I just wait on the miracle, which is I wait on the false hope that it's going to reverse. It's going to reverse, and I know that it's not going to reverse. But because I don't check it very well on my trading view, I only check it on for going to 15 minutes time frame. Keep seeing some false move on 15 minute time frame. What if I would check my FOA very well, I would have been out on the street by maybe 0.5% losses, not the full percent or normal initial percentage losses. But it is what it is, guys. So I just get out of the trade. That means it's remain to trade for me to pick. So inshallah, I have a strong belief that I'm going to pass this account. Let's put on notice, yeah. It's just I just have to have the belief, guys. So to today now, when New York section, London section, I'm expecting another section. So you can see New York yesterday doesn't give us good volume, which I thought that is going to reverse after this huge volume of Asian, London, New York, and we have some Asian section. This Asian section goes up. I saw this up around before I slept around 12 o'clock. Okay, I saw the bullish around 11. And I told myself that I'm not going to take any trade, because all this normally GBP, pounds pair and euros pairs that are base currency on like Euro USD, GBP USD normally move in sideways in Asian section. They are good move up in London and New York sections. So this is what I have to do. I'm going to wait for London section to start. All this I won't take on all this as a trade. This is what I will do. I will wait if price come down here on the lower time frame and give us break of structure on the 15 minutes time frame. Then you can write it up. So that means you can't count this as our own structure. Let's go to 4 and see if you check our 4 hour now. Even on 4 hour, the zone is not even there. This zone is only 4 hour, and it has been mitigated on 4 hour. You can see it has been mitigated on 4 hour. Let's check 1 hour, 45 minutes. There's no good zone on 45 minutes here. Okay, that means 45 minutes. Here is the best zone for us to be written, not even here. But it has already been mitigated. That's why we can use this zone. You can rather wait for this zone, because this zone has been mitigated. So if price breaks structure above the zone, it's a way what they can do. So I'll clear this liquidity. That means it's about to reverse. But let's just wait and see if price can break structure above this one, and then we can look for by continuation toward this point, guys. So that's all for today. So and then I'm looking for something here on AUD USD. I can see that the price have break structure. God save me, I didn't set my limit order. So this was what I will do. I can see on our 1 hour time frame, I see the blue candlestick break. As you can see, it is here. So let's move for H4. As you can see on H4 time frame, there's nothing like a strong bullish. No, only this one that caused and its has been tapped. So since I've saw this thing, I will look for a structure, a zone that called the break of structure, which is this zone around here. I press moved before breaking another structure. So the structure must be part and here, and this is some liquidity. I can see some liquidity at the top. So maybe a zone around this point can be my zone. Let's go for 30 minutes and see. You see, I don't talk on. So if I were to take this trade now, I'll just take it based on this confirmation. I put my limit order here. Let's go for more than 5 minutes, 15 minutes time frame. It's still good. So that means I put my limit order here and round it down. So that's all. Let me check my good. I say I have limit order on good. You see, I talk and say I don't like the way good is reacting. That's why I don't take the trade. So we're going down to our point of interest, guys. And GPGP also, I said it's going to move, but this one is going sideways. See, yesterday it made some bullish move at near section in reverse, and now it makes some bullish move. So let's wait if my GPGP will pass, tap this point and give us some confirmation, so we can write it down. So for this trade, I'll be looking at GBP, so the AUD USD and Euro USD and gold. Remember that I have only 2 trades to take, but I will try to do so. So I won't omit my order on gold. I will leave my order on gold and I will place order on AUD USD rather also. So thanks for watching, guys. So see you in the next video. So sorry, it's not the next. So I will soon update you about this trade. Sorry. Just thanks for watching. So let's continue, guys. It's just like an update on gold. Price just started to my gold entry now. As you can see, price started to hit on this entry was set on hourly time frame, guys. So price time to hit. So let's see how it is. Inshallah, I shall update you. We are targeting 1 to 6. I'm holding everything out. I'm not taking any partial profits. Only trading stop loss because it's gold and gold is normally move, guys. So this here is like much of liquidity. Only I can take a profit at this point, and that one is not even, it's up to my days 4 point something, but I can wait for full potential. Maybe I can take a profit here if I wish to take, but I don't think I will wait for full potential. But I shall update you about the trade earlier. So I've flipped my buyers on other trade like AUSD buy at this point. I see something. So on Euro USD also, I'm expecting to see a structure change so that we can get things together. But the gold has already tapped in, guys. So let's ride it together. Let's be a good guy. Alright, guys. Alright, guys. So my trade on gold tapped in and it took me out. Some point I've extended my stop loss to this point. I think to this. Let me go to H4. Yes, I've extended this to this point. Yes, to this point like this. But to me now, I will close the losses. I will close it now, or I should wait for it to take me out fully. But as you can see now, this when it's tapping, I see some profits around this point, and then I thought that okay, it's time for price to reverse. Since it's buy continuation. You see, it's creating some buys, high low, then it comes down, continue the higher. So but price failed. Price doesn't continue the higher highs. I don't know the reason. And then goes to this one also. It's creating some higher highs, higher lows, which I expected that since price can reach this point, then come back, then continue the higher low. What it is sharp. So, but I think this good trade has taken me out. Let me check my MT. Let me take my MT5. Maybe it has taken me out. Let me check my MT5. Maybe we are still on trade, or we have lost the trade on good. Alright, guys, we are still on trade on gold and on ADSD, but you cannot say anything can happen on gold also. So let's just wait and hold, maybe and chill. Maybe something can happen. Then And on this one also, I'm on the trade. Let's see, maybe something can happen then. But that thing is granted in this forex special. Maybe in New York section, price can reverse. Alright guys, so I shall update you about the trade. Alright, but I'm in deep losses, and if this trade go to my take profit, alhamdulillah, and if you do the other one, then the account has gone with that. Alright guys, so the challenge has gone. So the challenge has gone, right? So let's come back, give me some tracement, and then as I say now, market just take me out with this week. With this week almost penning, like this small week. Let's take me out with this small week, and then it's moving now. I know that it will move straight to my TP. I know, but this small week, tiny weeks, same thing happen on this trade also. You can also just take me out with this small week, and then it's now moving. Let's see, but market has taken my stop loss. So let's go into our dashboard and let me show you the evaluation. You can see the account breached. You can no longer take on this account, trade on this account. However, this is not the end of the personal trading channel. Set a new trading channel and keep going. So let's check some other things there for our trading. Profitable day. Okay, let me check something here. The trading journal. As you can see, I still take total trade 26. My average profit and loss is $13, and my winning is plus 34. My losing is minus 26. That's the average, but maybe there's something that is bothering my account. My winning rate is now 90% winning rate. My profit factor is 0.35. Alhamdulillah, it's not negative. Maybe I still have some hedge, so there's something that I haven't noticed yet. But no, don't worry, guys. Just stick to the channel. So I'll do a video about what I've learned. I've learned some lesson now regarding right from the day one. I've made a huge mistakes based on the news it was released that time, but I've learned some lesson now, and then what I've encountered during this. So I will try to make some review live here. So I'll do some review about the challenge. We'll look together. So in case you also are trading a profit account like me, so you'll be able to spot where your mistakes are, and then you'll be able to flip it in other side to pass the challenge, guys. Alright guys, thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next video, guys. Peace out.